Capacities versus Anytype versus Notion, which is best for you? Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's video, we're comparing Capacities, Anytype, and Notion, three powerful productivity tools to help you find perfect fit for your workflow. Let's get started. First is the Capacities. It is AI-powered note-taking and content creation. Graph-based structure for easy connection between ideas. It supports multimedia content like text, images, and videos. Best for creatives and knowledge. Workers will want a visual knowledge graph. Still in early development with limited integration. It lacks an advanced task management features compared to Notion. Second is to go on Anytype. Fully offline first with peer-to-peer syncing. It has an end-to-end encryption for maximum privacy. It has an highly customizable with blocks, relations, and sets. Best for users who prioritize privacy and data ownership. The cons is it's still in beta, with occasional bugs, fewer integrations, and community resource compared to Notion. Now let's go to the Notion. It is a powerful all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, database, and wikis. It is extensive third-party integration with Slack, Google Drive, and many more. Strong collaboration features for teams. Best for teams, students, and professionals who need a versatile productivity tool. The cons here is can be overwhelming for beginners and requires an internet connection for full functionality. And now let's go to our final verdict. Use Capacities if you're a content creator for knowledge worker who loves visual organizing and AI-powered tools. Use Anytype if privacy, offline access, and data ownership are your top priorities. And use Notion if you need a versatile all-in-one productivity tool with strong collaboration features and integrations. Which one do you think fits your needs best? Let us know in the comments. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.